Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Basic Classes. Last class we learned what is drawings. In this class we will learn what is trade discount and what is cash discount. Okay, so let's get started. See, first you should know what is discount. Discount means reduction in selling price. When you are paying amount which is less than from selling price, this is called discount, rebate, or we can say concession. Okay, in accounting there are mainly two types of discount. First one is trade discount and second one is cash discount. So let's see what is trade discount. Trade discount is given by the seller to the buyer at the time of purchase of goods. Okay, and the main motive of trade discount is to increase sale. Sells product in bulk quantity is main objective of trade discount. Okay, second point is least price. Trade discount is always given on least price. Least price means marked price or retail price. You can see here MRP is rupees 35. This is called marked price or least price. Okay, and trade discount is always given on least price. Then third point is cash and credit transaction. Trade discount is allowed both for cash and credit transaction. Okay. Fourth point is trade discount is not shown in books of accounts. Trade discount is allowed on least price. Okay, and we record all the transaction in books of accounts on net price or net amount, which is actual price. Okay. For example, least price of a product is rupees 1000 and trade discount is 20% means 200 rupees. So here net price is 800. Okay, and we can record this 800 rupees in books of accounts, not the trade discount amount. Understood? The next one is cash discount. Cash discount is given by the seller to the buyer at the time of payment. Okay, the main motive of cash discount is to quick payment. Quick payment means make payment earlier than due date. Okay, the second point is receivable amount. Cash discount is given on receivable amount. Means when the seller already delivered the goods and services to the buyer but the payment has not been done yet. That amount is called receivable amount. Okay, and the third point is cash discount is allowed only in cash transaction, not in the credit transaction. Okay, fourth point is cash discount is shown in books of accounts because cash discount is like expense to the business, so that we can record it in books of accounts. Okay, example, seller sells goods on credit to the buyer. Rupees 50,000 is invoice price and due date is 30th April 2024. So buyer must pay the amount on due date, that is 30th April 2024. If the buyer pay the amount before the due date, means 20th April or 10th April, so here seller gives discount of 5% on invoice price. 5% of 50,000 means 2,500 rupees. Okay, this is cash discount. Understood? So today in this class we learned what is trade discount and what is cash discount. Next class we will meet with a new topic. So thank you for watching my video and please like, subscribe and share.